Good evening, teacher. My name is Carmen Bravo. I'm third year course. I am going to describe my personality. Hello, my name is Carmen Bravo, and I am going to describe my personality. I am very active and funny person. I love you playing sport with my friend. I don't like being alone for a long time. I prefer going out on weekend. I usually make people laugh. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class.